Hello students, today topic is IUPAC nomenclature of single functional group. Okay, in the last classes we discussed hydrocarbons nomenclature, that is alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and cycloalkanes, bicyclic compounds and spiro compounds. Yes, today IUPAC nomenclature of compounds containing functional groups. Okay, these functional groups are mainly two types. One is non-chain terminating and chain terminating. What is that meaning? See, the functional group which is having the carbon atom, those are known as chain terminating functional groups. Why? Because generally these functional groups are ending any one of the end, these are present. Okay, no chain terminating. Generally these functional groups are either present on the terminal or middle, any place. Suppose here alcohol is there, it may be middle, it may be ending, terminal bhi ho sakta hai. But here carboxylic acid, always it is terminal only. Suppose like this is there, so the chain will start from here only, 1 2 3. So that's why these functional groups are terminal functional groups. Okay, the functional group which is having carbon atom, those are known as chain terminating functional groups. Okay, now today we will discuss each single functional group properties, suffix and prefixes, as well common name and IUPAC name of the each functional group we will discuss today. The first one is alkanes. Of course we learned this alkane in the last classes. Still once again we can recall all together. So alkane general molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2 general molecular formula. General representation is RH. Here R means alkyl. How it comes? R का जनरल मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला होगा CnH2n plus 1. See the difference in between R and alkane, only one hydrogen is less. So I can write here alkane minus one hydrogen is equal to R group. That means alkyl group. Okay, next. See structure, common name and IUPAC name. If 4 carbons are there, N-butane is a common name. IUPAC name is just butane. 1 2 3 propane, long chain is the propane. Here one methyl is there, so 2-methyl propane. Already we learned this. Now common name is isobutane. I told you in the last classes iso. When we call that iso means just like Y shape. Yes, means last second carbon pe if methyl group is there, that is iso. Neo means plus jaisa. On the last second carbon, if 2 methyl groups are there, that is neo. Okay, this is iso, this is neo. Right, you can see N-pentane, isobutane, it's over. Next, if normal is there without branches, that is represented by small n. N for normal, there is no branches, that meaning. In IUPAC, just pentane. Next, you give the numbering here 1 2 3 4. How to give the numbering? Already we learned the lowest locant rule. So left to right numbering is correct. 2-methyl, total long chain is 4. 1 2 3 4. 2-methyl butane. Sorry, it's the wrong print. 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane. So here isopentane. In the common name we have to consider all carbons. Okay, iso nature is there, is the pentane, isopentane. Next here it is neopentane. Total 5 carbons. If you take IUPAC, you had to give the numbering and select the long chain first of all. 1 2 3, 3 carbon chain is long chain, so propane, the substitutions are on second carbon 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane, 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. So alkanes over. Next, alkenes. In detail already in the previous videos I explained you. Next, alkenes. In alkenes, the general molecular formula is CnH2n. CnH2n. Okay. IUPAC name is alkenes. These are also known as, common name is olefins. Olefins. Okay. In case of alkanes, the alkanes are known as paraffins. Paraffins. In alkane chapter again we will discuss that. Olefins means oil nature. Next, CnH2n, IUPAC alkene over. Then structure, common name and IUPAC. 2 carbons are there, so eth. 1 2, 2 carbons are there, eth. Double bond is there, ene. Ene is here suffix. Double bond, ene is suffix. So eth, ene. Then 3 carbons are there, prop, ene. But, ene. See, in the 3 case, no need to give the numbering for where the ene is there, because however it will come only 1. But in case of butene, it may be like this also. Butene means 1 2 3 4. Here but 2-ene. But 2-ene. More than 1 chances are there. That's why we have to mention the numbering. 1 2 3 4. Butene, where is that ene? It is there on the first carbon. So 1 butene or but 1-ene. But 1-ene. Both names are correct, but this is the updated name. Okay, but 1-ene. Next, here of course we had to give the numbering here. 1 2 3. Total 3 carbons. So prop-ene. Prop 1-ene, of course, prop-ene 2-methyl. Okay, 1-ene it's not required. Now common name is iso. I told you in the last, we discussed just before, Y shape. Isobutylene. If single bond is there, that is isobutane, CH2. Okay, here CH3 is there, 1 2 3. Isobutane, but here isobutylene. Next, alkynes. In case of alkyne, this alkyne suffix is -ine. Alkyne suffix is -ine. The formula is CnH2n minus 2. If you observe that alkane and alkene and alkyne, every time 2 hydrogens are decreasing. 2n plus 2, this is ane. Alkane, in the middle CnH2n, this is the alkene. Now 2 more hydrogens less, that is alkyne, yne. These are the prefixes: alkane, alkene, alkyne. Okay. Now, so here common name, in the common name we can give that acetylene nomenclature, because the first alkyne is CH triple bond CH. This common name is acetylene. So here we will give furtherly acetylene nomenclature in the common name. Okay, IUPAC may no problem. IUPAC we had to count the number of carbons in the long chain. Just we had to take suffix and prefix, those things. Now here 2 carbons are there, so total eth, ethine, ethylene. It is a IUPAC name. It's IUPAC name is ETH, eth, yne, ethine. Common name is acetylene. common name is acetylene. Here 3 carbons are there, so propyne. So in the common name, see, this much is acetylene, C triple bond CH. So here one methyl is substituent is there, so methyl acetylene. Now total 4 carbons are there, but 1 ion, 1 is required, so here we can write but 1 ion also. This is the updated one, but 1 ion, 1 butane also correct. Okay, but in case of common name, see, this much is acetylene, right side is acetylene, left side is ethyl group is there, so ethyl is the substituent, acetylene is the remaining. Next here 2 butane, you can give the numbering 1 2 3 4. Okay, 2 butane. Now this much is middle portion is acetylene, right side and left side is methyls are there, so dimethyl acetylene. So here this much is acetylene, left side methyl group is there, right side ethyl group is there. Okay, ethyl, methyl. So alphabetical order we have to mention ethyl, methyl, acetylene. Ethyl, methyl, acetylene. Okay. Next functional group, that is alkyl halides. Alkyl halide means alkyl group means R group is there, halide means X is there. Alkyl halide. Okay, so this is the formula just we discussed, CnH2n plus 1. Alkane में 1 hydrogen is less. In place of that hydrogen, any halogen, it may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, whatever. Okay. Now this alkyl halide, the suffix, there is no suffix for halogens, only prefix is there. Okay, these are prefixes are there, so the prefix is halo. Halo means chloro, bromo, iodo, these things. Okay, now first compound is methyl bromide. Common name is methyl bromide. This is inorganic. Br minus is there, that is ide. Generally all negative particles are known as ide. H minus hydride, N minus nitride, N minus 3, oxide, O minus 2 oxide. Okay, these are there. So it's a common name, methyl bromide. Here methyl, the alkyl group is taken as a substituent like that. Okay, it is a common name. In the IUPAC name, halogen has only prefix. Halogen has only prefix. Next, so halogen prefix is there, the prefix is halo form, that means bromine hai to bromo, chlorine is there, chloro, like that. So here 1 2 total eth. Okay, eth, here ethane, in ethane one chlorine is there, the chlorine is present on first carbon. Okay, but if chlorine is left side is there, again first carbon only, so no need to mention the numbering. In the ethane, chlorine is substituent, that's why chloroethane. What is our IUPAC structure? IUPAC structure is first prefix, word root plus suffix. So halo means there is no suffix here. Okay, generally alkane. Okay, main function, it is not a main function group. Prefix, these all we have to take as a halo. So chloroethane. Next, 1 2 3 propane. In the propane, bromine is there on second carbon, so 2 bromo propane. Don't write propane 2 bromo. Okay, This is the prefix. So prefix always we have to write first, then word root, then suffix. Here all single bonds are there, that's why N is the suffix. If one more function loop is there, we will write N ke baad. After this, here main function loop will come. In the next function loops, we can discuss that. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 carbons. Okay, butane. In the butane, on the second position, chlorine is there. So 2-chloro-butane. See, it looks like this is the secondary butyl chloride. Also, we can write secondary butyl. Why secondary butyl? This is the primary carbon. This is the secondary. This is also secondary. This is the primary. This chlorine is present on the secondary carbon. The chlorine is present on the secondary carbon. That's why secondary butyl chloride. It is a common name. In the IUPAC name, we are giving the numbering, and substitutions we are mentioning as a prefix. Next, 1, 2, 3. Total long chain is 3 carbon chain. That is a propane. On the second carbon, one chlorine is there, one methyl is there. So alphabetical order first. 2-chloro, C will come first. Here M will come later. 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. Okay. If you take as a common name, tertiary butyl chloride. In the last time secondary butyl, here tertiary butyl. What is the tertiary? The chlorine attached carbon. The chlorine attached carbon is connected with 3 more carbons. Okay. Tertiary means generally 3 degree, 2 degree. It is showing like that. The 2 degree means the carbon, chlorine attached carbon is attached to 2 more carbons. Here tertiary means the chlorine attached carbon is attached to 3 more carbons. Okay. Next, dihalogen derivatives. In this dihalogen derivatives, the formula is C. In the alkane, CH3 is there. This is the alkane. In this alkane, if 2 hydrogens are replaced by halogen, those are dihalogen derivatives. So here 2 types. One is geminal dihalides. Other one is vicinal dihalides. Geminal and vicinal. How you will remember gem? If one person having a multiple talented, that is called, generally we will call them gems, gem student. So here on one carbon, if 2 halogens are there, that is geminal. Vicinal means 2 halogens are on adjacent carbon. If 2 halogens are there, those are called vicinal dihalides. Suppose halogen is like this, chlorine and chlorine. These are not vicinal. These are not vicinal. Okay. Vicinal means it should be 1,2 type, means adjacent hona chahiye. Then common name is alkyl ene halide. Sorry, common name. In the common name we are taking like this because if you remove these 2 halogens, what it will come? It is ene. Okay. So if you don't consider these halogens, it is looks like alkene type. That's why ene is in the common name. It is coming. There is no ene in the IUPAC name. Now you can see examples here. Total 2 carbons are there. So IUPAC first you see on first carbon 2 chlorines are there. 1, 1 dichloroethane. I think there is no doubt here. 1, 1 dichloroethane. But in the common name means you have to remember. Okay, there is no proper structure. हर एक function group में अलग अलग होता है. That's why you have to learn these things. In the IUPAC name, few rules are there. According to that rules, if I give any random question, okay, in this case you can write this one. Suppose if I ask you what is the common name of this, then you have to learn. Okay, this is the memory based common name is. Now 1, 1 dichloro dichloroethane, spelling mistake. Next, ethylidene chloride. Ethylidene chloride, when two halogens are present on same carbon, that is IDE, ide prefix suffix will come, ethylidene chloride here, ethylidene chloride. Next, 1, 2, 3. First IUPAC 1,1 dichloropropane is a clear. In common name, whenever two halogens are there on same carbon, we have to write idene. Okay, propylidene chloride, total 3 carbons, so propyl propylidene chloride. Next, 1, 2, 3. So propane, common in the IUPAC, on the second carbon 2 chlorines are there, 2, 2 dichloropropane. It's fine. In case of common name, isopropylidene chloride. Iso, why we are calling iso? Like this Y shape. Okay, on this carbon, suppose it is there isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride, when it is having 2 chlorines, propylidene, IDE, propylidene, IDENE. Okay, now vicinal type is there, adjacent is there. In case of adjacent, we will take ene, because it looks like alkene type, CH2 double bond CH2. Vicinal type is there, alkene nomenclature. In the single bonds are there IDENE. You can see here prefix is given, the structure. Alkyl, in the both cases, alkyl is a common, halide is a common, but the middle one is different. In case of geminal, IDENE. In case of vicinal, ENE. ENE, why it is coming with, it looks like alkene type. Okay, that's why ethylene is the common name of ethene. Okay, ethene ka common name ethylene is there. So ethylene was there, after that the chlorine addition. So ethylene chloride, it was there, ethylene. See, this is the ethylene. If I do the chlorination, what it will come? CH2 bond CH2, here chlorine and chlorine. It was there as ethylene. Now it is 2 chlorines came. Okay, ethylene chloride, ethylene chloride. Okay, like that you have to remember. Common name means we have to link up the name with the molecule, that's only. There is no proper reason for that. Next, 1, 2, 3. Total 3 carbons are there. So prop, it is looks like in propylene chloride. Propylene chloride. IUPAC mein no problem. 1, 2, 3 is there. So 1, 2 dichloropropane. 1, 2 dichloro is the substitution. Then prop, word root, ane, all single bonds are there, ane. Okay. Next, polyhalogen derivatives. Polyhalogen derivative means more than one halogen, generally more than 2 halogens. First is there monohalogenation, 2 are there, 1 is there mono, 2 is there di, 3 halogens are there, generally tri, but poly means 3 onwards, 3, 4, 5 like that. So if 3 halogens are there, the common name is chloroform. If chlorine is there, chloroform. If iodine is there, iodoform. If bromine is there, bromoform. Okay. Now IUPAC name may no need to remember anything, just rules we have to learn. So only 1 carbon is there, so methane. In the methane, 3 chlorines are there, so trichloromethane. Now carbon tetrachloride is the common name here, tetrachloromethane. Why we are writing tetrachloro first? Because chlorine and halogen, these are all having only prefix. Okay. Now iodoform is the common name, triiodomethane. Now here fluorine two fluorines are there, two chlorines are there. This common name is freon. This freon only we are using in the air conditions, fridge, refrigerators and ACs. We are using these freons. Now IUPAC name difluoromethane. See, fluorine, fluorine, chlorine, chlorine. So two chlorines are there, 1 comma 1 difluoro, 1 comma 1 dichloro, ऐसा होता है. But here only one is there, no need to mention that 1 1 1. ठीक है, that's why just difluoromethane, right? Next, alcohol functional groups. Alcohol is OH. Okay, general representation is ROH. General formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Means in alkane, this is the alkane CH4. CH3, one hydrogen is replaced by one OH. Okay, otherwise we can say in the alkane just oxygen is inserted, one oxygen extra. Okay, now you can see CnH2n plus 2 is the alkane general molecular formula. एक oxygen extra, one oxygen is extra is there. Okay, now these functional groups are having prefix and suffix both. So prefix is hydroxy, prefix is hydroxy, suffix is ol. When we will write this hydroxy name, whenever more than one functional groups are there, means better greater preference than alcohol. Suppose carboxylic acid is there and OH also, in that case OH considered as a substituent, in that case we have to give this name. Okay, I will provide you one table, you will get it, prefix, all functional group prefixes and suffixes. Next, the suffix is ol. Alcohol, the last two letter ol. Then common name is alkyl, then alcohol. Alcohol is the common name in this. For alcohols, alcohol is common name. For amines, amine is common name, like that. See here, one methyl and OH is there. So alcohol, common name, alcohol is common in all cases. You can see. In IUPAC, one carbon is there. So meth. See, I will write here first methane. Okay, plus what is the alcohol? Suffix ol. These two letters vowels should not come together, so I am cutting this E, then I am writing methane ol. Then the pronunciation is methanol, methanol, nol. One more is there, methanol. Al means aldehyde, Al is there. This is the methanol, ol. Okay. Now, two carbons are there. Ethyl alcohol is the common name because this much is ethyl group. It is OH, ethyl alcohol. IUPAC name is two carbons are there. So ethane plus ol, ethanol, ethanol. Now 1, 2, 3. Propane plus ol, propanol. Here 1 it's required to mention because हो सकता है 2 propanol भी, that's why we have to mention the numbering. In case of common name, N-propyl alcohol, N is indicating there is no branch. Next, isopropyl. See, these words always repeating, so no need to explain, I think, every time. N means no branches, iso means it's a Y shape. Okay, then secondary means the OH attached carbon attached to 2 more carbons. Tertiary means that is attached to 3 more carbons. Next, see here isopropyl. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3. So total propane and the second position alcohol OH is there. So ol 2-propanol is the old name. Now propane plus ol is there, but ol position is second. So now complete name is propane, remove this E, propane 2-ol, propane 2-ol. Okay. Now see 2-propanol also correct, but this is the updated, that's only difference. Next, N-butyl alcohol, then butane 1-ol or 1-butanol. Next 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 total. Propanol again, sorry, 1, 2, 3, print mistake here. Propanol, ठीक है. Substitution is second position, methyl is there, second position methyl, 2-methyl propane 1-ol, 2-methyl propane 1-ol. I am writing here 2-methyl propane, don't write last E, propane 1-ol, 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Okay, this is the name of this compound. Next, you can see like this. The next compounds, numbering we have to start here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You should not start here. Sometimes the students will confuse 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is the long chain. No, here 4 carbon chain is the long chain. The OH is should get lowest number. Of course, that's why we have to start the numbering from here. This carbon. Next, common name is secondary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name is 2-butanol. 2-butanol or butane plus 2-ol. So it will become butanol. Don't write this E, just 2-ol. Conditions are there here, before the number, after the number, this hyphen should be present. Okay, so I think you can write this one also easily. Try yourself. Next, ethers functional group. Ethers. Ether means what? ROR. If oxygen is attached to two alkyl groups, here also alkyl, here also alkyl, then these are called ethers. Ethers. These ethers and alcohols similar but not same. What is the similar? In case of alcohol, one side is R, alkyl is there, the other side should be H. Okay, it's a fixed H. But here both sides are alkyl groups. Okay. The formula is same, general molecular formula is same. There also alkane plus एक extra oxygen. Alkane, general molecular formula plus one oxygen. Here in ether case also same. That's why this ethers plus alcohols, molecular formula is same, general molecular formula is same, so these are also known as isomers. In the isomers again topics are there, different types of isomers. So generally these are functional group isomers. These are functional group isomers. Isomer means general molecular formula is same first of all. Okay. Functional group isomer means in the functional group difference is there. Here alcohol, here ether. Next, how the name is taking. Alkoxyalkane. Alkoxyalkane is the IUPAC name. Common name is dialkyl ether. Ether के लिए ether common name. Alcohol के लिए alcohol is the common name. Now see here alkoxyalkane. In this alkoxy, which one we have to take as alkoxy? See, alkoxy, this alkyl should be smaller chain. Okay, smaller alkyl chain with oxygen always. The bigger one is we are taking as a alkane nomenclature. So in case of first case, left side and right side both are same. That's why you can write methoxymethane. Here there is no change. In case of common name, ether means this one. Ether, right side methyl is there, left side methyl is there. Methyl and methyl. So dimethyl ether. This is the ether. One side methyl, one side ethyl. So alphabetical order: ethyl, methyl, ether. If you come to IUPAC name, the smaller chain is with oxygen. So methoxyethane. See here, methoxyethane. Next, here there is no problem. Two carbons are same. That's why ethoxyethane. In case of common name, two ethyl groups are there. Diethyl ether. Now again here, this methyl group is with oxygen. Okay. So now what is the name? Methoxy. These three carbons are there. So propane. See here, methoxypropane. In case of common name, one side methyl group is there, the other side is propyl group is there. So methyl propyl ether, alphabetical order. Done. Next naming of the function group having carbon we will discuss in the next video. Till that time you can learn